Hello everyone, friends, followers. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, Papio Electrical Electronics. Thank you and God bless us. Okay, let's start Papio Electrical Electronics. Now, how to compute the value of the resistor for the 3-volt LED to direct 230 volts. LED 3-volt resistor. Okay, I have formula Ohm's law. R equals BS/BL over I. What is BS/BL? Okay, BS is voltage source, BL is voltage load, I is current. Okay, now BS is 230 volt, BL is 3 volt. This one, guys, 3 volt LED. Okay, I is 25 milliamps. Okay, I equals 25 milliamp divided by 1000 equals 0.025 ampere. Okay, now R equals 230 volt minus 3. What is 3? 3 is 3 volt. That is voltage load. Okay, over 0.025 ampere. Let's proceed. 227 because 230 minus 3 equals 227 over 0.025. Okay, now R is equal 9,080 ohms. Okay, or 9 kilo ohm. This is value of the resistor. This one. Okay, 9 kilo ohms. Then the supply is 230 volt source direct to the outlet 230 volt source. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you and God bless us. Sa susunod kong video ay i-actual natin itong resistor to connect the LED 3 volts. Okay, abangan nyo sa susunod kong video. Thank you.
Pag may natutunan po kayo, please huwag kalilimutan mag-subscribe, like, and share, and click the notification bell para ma-notified po kayo sa susunod kong video. Thank you and God bless us.